Is your cleaning cupboard cluttered with mops and brooms? Is your old mop not up to the task? Are you struggling with heavy buckets? It's time to multiply your cleaning power with the X Power Mop from JML. The mop that will clean your home from floor to ceiling. Tiles, marble, vinyl or wood floors, furniture, shelves or walls, and windows inside and out. The X Power Mop tackles every challenge. Just add tap water and watch the X Power Mop tackle dirt, dust, messes and spills all over your home. Use wet or dry and low or high. The X Power Mop's generous microfiber pad attracts dirt and dust like a magnet, soaks up messy spills and powers its way through the toughest grime. Its unique X design wraps around every obstacle, and its clever rotational gooseneck and super low-profile head means X Power swivels and glides into all those hard-to-reach places, leaving dirt with no place to hide. And thanks to the telescopic handle, you get extra cleaning power with extra reach. Clean windows inside or out, and shine the sunroof and roofs of cars effortlessly. The X Power Mop swivels, glides and cleans wherever dirt may hide. Forget mops that only do a fraction of the cleaning. Power your way through the toughest dirt, dust, grease, grime and more with the X Power Mop from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.